Oh, they are they?
No, they won't. They won't.
Oh,
I knocked one out.
oh yeah.
Stolen.
Did we kill our neighbour or what?
Nah, we haven't yet. You want revenge, do your teeth.
Yeah.
Yep, it does sound like more shots to the south somewhere.
Yeah, someone's coming to help him.
But like, there's more like people. Oh, yep, one to the south at a rock between 165 and south next to a dead corpse.
Well, his mate tried to come and help him over to the left, but he ran left again.
Anyone got 762 or more left about?
I have none, sorry.
Yeah, I do.
Yep, there he is, head. Knocked. So his teammate's gonna probably have to come help him. Don't know where from though.
Where's Grizzle?
We need to probably think about.
We've still got a minute and it's not far.
Oh, it's not far. Oh, running left down
running
at 105, 120.
Let me shoot this guy.
Oh, yep. Dead.
Well done.
Okay, contact 75, running across the road.
I'm healing.
He's knocked. He's running across, crawling across the road, but I don't know where his teammates are.
Bait him.
Can you see someone?
Nah, I think it's a bit.
Yeah, Ross is seeing someone somewhere. You already knocked him.
I'll tell
I'm
him.
flanking pretty hard.
Ah, shit.
Someone behind you. Oh yeah, I see him.
Terrible shot.
One more hit and he's dead. Yep, dead.
Nice. Yep.
Got a knockout.
Heading.
That guy died near the house.
Should we just run in?
Yes. Oh, no.
Okay. Can you see him, Michael?
Yep, see him. He's at a tree.
Wow.
Nice, Gary.
Hey!
Gary's nice.
To the
I think
right
he's
of the
going
house.
to the left. Hey!
Nice,
got him.
G-Dog. There's still one in the house as well.
Cool.
Yep.
Oh. Shit.
He has to run.
Yeah, I see him. Ooh, do you reckon he'll
One
die
to
on
our
his
left,
own?
one to our left, running.
Oh, okay.
There's also another friend of his just over the ridge.
Cool.
He's coming up to us now.
Yeah.
He threw a nade. He's dead. He threw a nade though, watch out for the nade. Here we go.
All good. Alright, 9
I'm gonna
left.
be greedy, I wanna look.
From me, southwest, just in front of the bridge, I can see the whole squad.
Oh,
Yeah, whole
excellent.
squad.
Let's get him. They're gonna have to come to us.
They're running.
Yeah.
Yeah, mate,
Get him.
See him?
Alright, where from, sorry, what coordinates? There's also some to 165 down near the water ledge, near the smoke now.
Yeah.
I love it when I can just shoot without caring about bullets. Oh shit, Pete, you just walked in front of me. Sorry. Oh, and I got the winning kill. Oh, I'm so sorry.